Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel at Silver Launch, a channel that got you covered for latest nail designs and hairstyles. So if you just come across my channel for the first time, kindly do want to subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss our videos as uploaded to the channel. Thank you as you join us. Special greetings to my returning viewers who are always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, we love and appreciate you. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for always coming back to watch our videos. We do not take it for granted. We love you guys, and please keep supporting us, and we'll keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you. Thank you, my ladies. So guys, today's video we have carefully selected most unique and trending nails ideas for my ladies. We have varieties of nails in this video, ranging from Christmas nails to short nails, ordinary nails, just unique nails that you definitely fall in love with. So ensure to watch from beginning to the end. Trust me, you definitely fall in love with the amazing collections that we have here. Okay, we have different styles, different unique designs, different colors, different shapes that will definitely give you whatever you're looking for. So as you watch, kindly select your most loved ones and then share to your family and friends so they can be part of the video. Thank you so much, my ladies. And also, as you watch our videos, do support us by liking the video. Guys, liking the video will help to reach a wider audience, so please give it a thumbs up and then share to your loved ones. Remember to drop your lovely comment section. Tell us will we trying any of these nails. Just let us know in the comment section. And so we're looking forward to seeing you again in our next video. Bye.